Hi, it's March 25th and we're going to sow some fava beans. What's the steps involved? First thing, we prepared this bed a little while ago. Come by with my little wheel hoe and we're going to make some furrows, and into that furrow seeds will go, and seeds today are fava beans. And our fava beans will be put every about 4 to 6 inches, and once they're in the ground we're going to cover them up with our handy little hose, walk along to tap them in, and that's it. It's going to happen really fast, and we're out in the third field, which is the other place where we just do our farming good times. Very different, higher and drier, better drainage, but recently pasture, so a different set of problems and good things.